In this video, we will learn how to stop verification required when installing free apps on iOS 12. So let's begin. In this video, we will learn how to stop verification required when installing free apps on iOS 12 on iPhone. For that, what you have to do is just go and first connect to an active internet connection. Then go to your iPhone settings in iOS 12. So here it is. And here just scroll down below and go to iTunes and App Store. Tap on it. And here just go and tap on Apple ID and tap on View Apple ID. And here just go and wait for the next screen to appear. So here it is. And here just go and tap on Payment Information and wait for the next screen to appear. So here it is. And here what you have to do is simply just go and select the none if credit or debit card is selected. Just go and simply select the none. Once you are done so, tap on done and wait for the process to complete. Once it is here, tap on done, go back, go to your home, and now try to install the app. Hope by doing so your issue will be resolved, but before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.